Storm Alert Weather 12 with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
A live look from Medford. The fog definitely on the thicker side on the north side of the city compared to the south side. 29 degrees at the airport with visibility down to a quarter of a mile. Also reduced air quality for our inland valleys. We're down to unhealthy for sensitive groups right now in Medford as well as Yreka and towards Happy Camp. Moderate air quality in Grants Pass and Klamath Falls. Air stagnation advisory for inland valleys continues through 10 a.m. Tuesday. This high pressure is not budging, so this dry and stagnant weather pattern will stick around through the holiday weekend. Tonight, it will be cold. We'll be seeing temperatures not really dropping all that much more for Grants Pass and Medford. Also freezing fog impacting our west side valleys of southern Oregon and western Siskiyou County. Will tumble to 18 degrees in Klamath Falls, 25 in Yreka. Freezing fog advisories in place for our west side valleys of southern Oregon and western Siskiyou County through noon tomorrow. Visibility down to a quarter mile or less, and roads could be a bit slick, especially where those temperatures are below freezing. And then taking a look at your day planner for tomorrow in the Rogue Valley. Do expect sunshine to break out, the clouds to lift, hopefully a little bit less stubborn than what we saw today. And if that does take place, we should see temperatures making up into the mid 40s. But if clouds are a bit more stubborn, it could be on the colder side compared to these highs for Grants Pass in Medford. But elsewhere, it will be another sunny, mild day. 51 for Klamath Falls. We'll get up to 53 degrees in Yreka and up to 67 in Brookings. Not the 70s, but still very mild for this time of the year. We're going to stay dry through the weekend in the Rogue Valley. Still going to be contending with freezing fog in the mornings and then brighter skies expected in the afternoon. Temperatures trying to trend on up. And then for the Mount Shasta Ski Park, lots of sunshine as we head into the weekend, but very mild for hitting the slopes. Temperatures topping out in the lower 50s through the weekend. And then taking a look at what to expect as we head in next week. All the cold air, shots of Arctic air into the central and eastern United States. High pressure, though, holds firm here out west, and it's going to stay mild and dry for us. But it does look like this ridge finally breaks down later next week. And that will not only cool temperatures down, but also bring the potential for precipitation, especially by next Thursday. We'll be tracking that very closely in the days ahead. In the meantime, sunny skies for the coast the next couple of days. A little bit more in the way of clouds on Sunday with a bit of a decrease in temperatures. Northern California, it stays pretty cold at night, mild in the afternoons, above average high temperatures right into next week. For the Klamath Basin, our mornings will still stay pretty bitter cold. A lot of spots getting down into the teens, but lower 50s for highs right into early next week. For the mountains, more melting. We're going to be losing that snowpack. That trend's going to continue over the next several days, but we're going to hold out hope, though, that we start to get into a colder and wetter pattern later next week. In the meantime, in the Rogue Valley, more rounds of freezing fog at night and then into the mornings, brighter skies in the afternoon, and temperatures hopefully trending up a little bit as we head into early next week.